The dry run of the rush hour driver-only ban along EDSA begins Wednesday. Despite intense criticism, the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA is looking to implement the driver-only ban along EDSA during rush hours starting August 23. A regulation released Tuesday says the ban will cover all lanes along EDSA, both northbound and southbound, from North Avenue in Balintawak, Quezon City to Magallanes in Makati. It will be implemented 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. on weekdays. A fine of 1,000 pesos will be imposed to violators. MMDA says crossing EDSA at intersections is still allowed. MMDA General Manager Jojo Garcia says that full implementation on August 23 depends on the outcome of the dry run. The Metro Manila Council approved the measure on August 7 in an attempt to reduce traffic congestion in Metro Manila. They also approved a policy banning province-bound buses from plying EDSA during rush hours. Motorists slammed the new policy, calling it an inefficient solution to Metro Manila traffic.